Hello there, welcome back to the People channel. Today we are going to review the Holiday Inn Express Bangkok Sathorn. The Holiday Inn Express Bangkok Sathorn is just a few steps from BTS Cheongnon-si. They are surrounded by tourist spots and nice cafes and restaurants. Holiday Inn Express is a business hotel in IHG chain which offers in a mid-range price. There are 4 branches in Bangkok, mostly in business area. I stay in 2 room types in Queen Standard and Queen Standard front of building. Every room looks similar, the difference is only view from the window. One thing different is about the bed size, it's like 2 single beds connect together. Two bottles of water, instant coffee and tea are complimentary. There is no amenity kit service, only hand wash and 2-in-1 shampoo. Here is the view from the front of building view. Here is the regular Queen Standard room. The bed size is a bit smaller. For breakfast, they offer a basic breakfast with a few options, just like omelette, noodle and bread. If you want more fancy breakfast, there is a private restaurant in the same building. They serve all-day breakfast and a good dining. The Holiday Inn Express do not have swimming pool. There is a small size fitness center on the first floor. terms of value of money, you can easily get the room rate lower than 1,000 Thai baht including breakfast. Location is very convenient. It's worth if you spend time outside the hotel. Please subscribe People Review channel for more hotel review. Thank you everyone for watching. Bye bye.